Number 51, graph the function f of x is 6 over x. This looks like a fractional function, doesn't it? I think they call those rational functions, like the ratio of 6 to x. Ratio, rational. Well, I like calling it a fraction. And that's essentially what we have here. Now let's find f of 1. Let's plot some points. F of 1 will be 6 over 1. See how that works? Put 1 in there for x. And my point now is going to be the point 1 for x and 6 for y, because 6 over 1 is 6. So 1, 6 is my first point. If I put a 2 in here, a 2 goes here and a 2 here, then I'll have f of 2 will be 6 over 2, which is 3. So my point is going to be 2, 3. If I put a 3 in here, I'll have f of 3 is 6 over 3, which is 2. So that's the point 3, 2. Then if I put a 6 in there, I'll have 6 over 6, which will be 1, 6, 1. And we can put 0 in there. We'll have 6 over 0, which is a very strange thing. We call it undefined. Then I can put f of 12 would be 6 over 12, which will be 1/2. So you have 12, 1/2. You can go to 18. F of 18 will be 18, what? 1 over what? You can reduce this to 1 over 3. 18, 1 over 3. 24 would be 1 over 4. Okay, so let's graph these points. There's the point 1, 6. 1, 6. There's 2 to the right and up 3. The next one's going to be 3 to the right and up 2, isn't it? 3 to the right and up 2. And then we can go to 6 to the right and up 1. And then I can go out here to 12 and only go up 1/2. Go out here to 18, go up 1/3. Go out here to 24 and only go up 1/4. Now, let's see what happens here. When you do that, this gets closer and closer but never crosses this line. And you come down here, this gets closer and closer but never crosses this line. That makes these two axes, it makes them the asymptotes. It'll never touch that line. Alright, so I can draw this, and it gets closer and closer to the y-axis but never touches it. The graph gets closer and closer to the x-axis but never touches it. And then we have a mirror image over here, because if x is -1, you have -6. If it's -2, -3, -3, -2, -6, -1, we'll have the same thing over here, only everything will be negative, and then you'll draw the graph this way. All right.